there's no doubt that he wanted you and cared about you more than anything else in his life.
Yeah.
Kate wanted me to tell the Parrot story, and that was when Shannon had so much control over Stephen, the princess, in his decrepit state toward the end, he would crawl up the stairs with the tray to feed her breakfast every morning.
No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, it's in there.
True.
Everybody's there babysitting him, and he was. Well, anyway, so the parrot turned out to hate.
It was bad, but wasn't that bad.
The parrot hated all men and would bite him and fly down and bite after him. So I didn't really mind because the parrot loved me. So first he bit at Bill, and then he bit at Stephen, and then Stephen was scared of the parrot. But then the parrot started to bite me and was in love with Shannon. But one time, Stephen was on the couch watching the ball game or something, and 5-year-old Shannon comes up and she says, "Get off the couch." I'm having the tea. And he said, I shouldn't have to leave. And so she doesn't speak, right? She's quiet. She just walks over and she climbs up and she gets Oh my God! That's the bird story.
That's great.